to mirror the actions of your partner. Yan. Sige.
Ikaw, Acer. Ikaw. Tapos sa oras talaga, ha?
Okay, so everybody now, focus on your partners. Ayan, harap tayo sa partner natin. Everybody? Hello? Ayan, please internalize. Tapos let's take a deep breath muna, inhale. Then exhale. Alright, so let's feel the music. We're gonna have a bit sentimental dito, ha? To set your expectations. Wait lang. Sige, we're not gonna start the music hanggang may nagsasalita po. So, kailangan we should be silent kasi this time, you're trying to understand how you respond to stress by trying to imitate what the person in front of you is doing. So, ito try natin, nag-a-analyze tayo habang gagawin natin yun. Okay? Alright. So, let's see here. Ano bang pwede dito na parang puro na metal itong nandito sa mga. Sige. Alright. Let's have this. Any moment now, you can start. Okay. So, palamahan natin sarili natin. So, now, ito naman yung pangalawang gagawin natin is mirroring pa din siya, pero not doing the opposite, but instead complementing the actions. So, how do you do that? So, for example, let's have you miss as a parang demo partner muna. Sige po. So, when you mirror, what do you do? Sige, taas po tayo ng, sige, ako po yung let A person, no? Try natin igawin yung i-mirroring agad, okay? So, 1, that's 2. So, ano yung napapansin natin? So, she's trying to imitate it perfectly, no? Either opposite or other direction doesn't matter, but she's trying to imitate it as perfect as she can. But when we compliment, okay? This is how we compliment. So, sige miss, let's try to make a movement. So, ibig sabihin, ginaya ko ba siya hindi? Meron akong sarili kong direksyon, pero it seems like we're complementing. So, those two things are different. Okay? Both are, is beauty, pero meron silang may tutulong sa atin later on. Okay? So, this time naman, yung letter A naman, yung susundan, yung letter A. Alright? Sige.
Yung mga sus dito, gawin ko. Paano may compliment?
Okay, so calm down the music. Ayan, so sige, how about this? Everybody, settle down. Alright, let's internalize. Now, let's think of this as you move. Ito yung mga stressors mo. At hayaan mo yung kasama mo sumabay sa'yo. Alright? Anyway, let's do it. Again, let's take a deep breath. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Okay. Alright, sige, settle down. Okay. So, ngayon, everyone, ano napansin natin? Saan kayo mas nakagalaw? Dun sa nagko-compliment o dun sa pilit natin ginagaya? Yes, and that is very much true also in real life. You know, most of the time, people try to imitate others, you know, as much as they can, not realizing that all of us are unique and special in our own ways. Isn't that right? So, kumbaga, when some person, let's say, receives negative energy from another, sometimes we also want to exact the same thing or to exact the revenge. We try to mirror kung ano yung ginagawa ng ibang tao sa atin. At the same time, tayo din yung nagkakaroon ng equal stress na binibigay sa atin. But when we know how to compliment, we are able to go around it. We are able to circle around it and control. Kung mapapansin nyo, parang each of you, lalo na yung letter A, did you feel this? Na parang you're in control. Na siya yung nagbibigay ng stress, let's say that's a stressor. Na yung letter A, sino yung letter B, yung lumagalaw, sinusundan. So let's imagine that as siya yung stressor, tas ikaw yung nag-respond. So, of course, as we all know, we've been into many seminars, but it is really true na yung stress for the most part is how we react to our environment. Okay? And so, one of the things that we can learn from dancing is it teaches us how to be flexible, adaptable, and most of all is nagkakaroon tayo ng ability to complement yung mga different things that come around us. Alright? So that is basically what we learn from this mirroring activity. But at the same time, we would be also having another for the last, this one, pero group improvisation naman. So sorry, hindi ko makikita. Ayan. What's that? Not the sharing part. The group improvisation. So group improvisation is just reiterating or emphasizing yung